Hello everybody, today is Friday, 7:45 a.m. Eastern Time, February 3, 2023. Happy Friday! Okay guys, before we start, let me try to explain again why I said be careful with shorts. You guys already know that up to February 10, the spreadsheet's available to you guys. We have big orders that will protect the market to not flip the gamma over to negative territory. Positive territory, sell rally, buy weakness. Negative territory, buy rally, sell weakness. So that's the difference between each orders. Means when you are in positive territory, lowers will be absorbed. When we are in negative territory, lowers will not be absorbed. Period. That's it. That's it. Okay. So far up to February 10, we have your order, special line 312. You see, February 10. We have a big order for $1 million that will not allow to market flip the gamma. Fabio, this could be changed. Of course, market, stock financial market is really dynamic. They always have somebody's bigger than, from others. Right? We don't know who melt this market up, which player did. But remember, everything's technology nowadays. Robots do that. If somebody bigger jump in and say the party is over, the dynamic of the market will change. Okay? Because we cannot guarantee that 4,109 something that the top yesterday when I short you guys, because the order that appeared, somebody short 4,100 call and bought 4,109 puts. I feel confident to short. And I told you guys I short, but be careful. It's because market could go against me. Why? Positive territory, gamma, and book show deep bias at least up to February 10. Turning point, explaining again. The turning point what I'm seeing is 4,086. This was a big sold call. Expire end of the month. Consequently, what my interpretation? The person or the persons that melt this market up, they already know where the turning point will be. Consequently, they were looking for $35 million premium. So I highlighted 4,086 as a major support, as a major turning point. Of course, that 4,086 is still market is still in positive territory, but their order is telling me that as soon as you lose such a region, we will flip the gamma. Now you guys understand why up to February 10. Okay, just showed you guys go to the spreadsheet, look for a line 3012 February 10, and look before the February 10. You see, we always see lower orders in the book that will protect and absorb the dips. Regarding today, February 3, as I told you guys yesterday night, okay, we still check at the beginning. Some of the orders is already closed, but you see that they have a bunch of bottom absorptions. Strike 3,952, 3,901. So they can exercise this anytime today. If they see the markets going against them, they already have bullets to bring the market up. We will monitor through zero DTA's contracts where the support will be and the resistance will be, because it changes a lot. You guys already noticed that my support and resistance is everything's based in the book. It's because where the money is. A lot of people try to look, support and resistance using like Fibonacci and etc. But makers play basically EMAs Okay, and they set up, the supports accordingly through zero DTAs or through, preview dark pool book. You guys saw, that my regions are 99.9% accurate during the intraday. Nobody, maybe you guys, pay a lot of subscriptions. Nobody give you guys exactly, where the support it is, where the resistance it is, what time they change the support, what time they change the resistance. That's what I provide to you guys basically in real time, right? And work very well. Of course, I miss sometimes. I'm a human being. But anyway, come back for today. Bulls have bullets to absorb the dip. I'm looking for 4,000. I put you guys also in the chat yesterday. That today 4,140 is the support, 4,106 is the resistance. If you check the gamma, 4,150, we have basically a put wall. Okay, if it breaks, we could go for 60 that have more puts. Breaking 60, we can go to 75. But looks like dark pool works very well, especially with the gamma. Because if you go to the spreadsheet, you see if it breaks, you see same values are around like 4,106, some big, some small. One more, I'm just highlighting. One more, regarding 4,175, $1 million. If it breaks 4,160, as I told you guys in the chat yesterday, you see that they play very well with amazing gammas, right? So if we break 4,000, I post everything in the group. That's before markets open. So far, that's defined like 4,150 as support, 4,160 as a resistance. Break 4,106, we could go up to 4,195. Why I'm telling 4,195? Because first we have orders in the book that could you take us there, and second was the marking point that you saw yesterday when somebody sold 5,000 contracts call and bought for 5,000 contracts put and dumped the market. Okay, you guys understand? So far that's the levers for today. If you lose 4,140, if you go down here, you see orders that can take market a little bit lower. I'm not considering this 4,004 because if you go up to the top, you see that you defended 4,008. They have a lot of bullets. Look, line 96, $12 million. You see all the book over here. They bought. They have a lot of bullets, to save the market. So if we lose 4,140, maybe we back test 4,100 or 4,860, 4,009. That's the level that I post you guys, as a possible bottom. Okay, as a possible bottom. Could you change it during the intraday? Yes, market's really dynamic. But so far, that's what I'm looking for today. Bottom will be absorbed so far, positive gamma. We also have higher GX and positive GX, okay, but the GX already dropped at 2%, means dealers are getting out from the book. Dealers are not more satisfied to provide liquidity to the market. As soon as you see below 45, markets already reverted. Dealers will not provide the more liquidity. Why they provide the liquidity? Why the markets have like bottoms and tops? Because at certain level, they want to sell. At certain level, they want to buy. So VIX are dropping. We are in a moment, we could be sideways, okay, up to February 10. We are in a moment that they are distribution things, equities. You guys already realized that they already sold, started to sold back in 2022. Okay, now we are in distribution. We saw other accounts that I follow, for example, Brazil, I told you guys, go up to 1,050K. When there, what's happening touch there? They start to melt down. Ibovespa, could you be hold at 106? Yes. If they need to distribute more, then you jump the market back to 1,015. Bring anxiety, you know, for investors, retail investors, because the makers know what they do. Okay? And we are in the same pattern. All over. Okay? So guys, I'm finished here. Hope you guys understand, you know, the levels from today, why February 10, and why to be cautious regarding shorts. Today, if you was the top, you will fine because you short the top. You never go against us. Since we bought long puts, lips, we are safe. We are safe. Of course, if you know start to go and close to our the expiration dates, the majority of mine are fine because I bought 4,200. But as soon as you start to getting closer, and if you bought as the standard, you know, the standard deviation by 50%, you know, lower puts, you need to evaluate that you need to go rollover or not, because the Theta will hold the premium. Okay. Anyway, guys, level I already gave it to you guys. Please monitor VIX, especially the future. The key is here. If they keep it above 1955, market, you know, top. Okay? And you could be a sideways market. If you see, you know, sellers and dumping the VIX, you know, market supposed to be go up. So 1955, that's, you know, the level that you control the implied volatility in the book. So if the implied volatility, you know, is being controlled, dumping the VIX, you know, they force people to buy call, consequently force buybacks. If, you know, they will not be able to control the VIX, to suppress the VIX, especially the future, Van and Charm will not, you know, work for bulls, will work for bears. Take care, guys. Also provide you guys how to monitor the Van and Charm and the market dynamic. Take care.